Alright folks, this is it. This is the Mackie E-89D for the first time ever. I mean, for the first time, this is it. Of course, I'm hooking it up through a mono XLR to 3.5mm termination going into the female 3.5 adapter into the GoPro interface for charging the mini USB, the old one, the big old square shaped USB almost. That's huge. Anyways, this is the E-89D, testing, 1, 2, 3, this is 2 inches away. I'm not eating it yet. I wouldn't even, fair to say that I'm gauging the proximity effect yet. But now I am eating the mic, and I can tell this has got a flatter top than the other ones, maybe more like the Audio Technica. But I am right on it, so it's probably engaging the proximity effect, and some plosives are starting to come through. I don't know if they're coming through. I'm not on my meter yet. I'm just going straight into my GoPro, straight into however these are set from the factory, however, the sensitivity, the frequency range, yada yada, however it's set a specific way. If you're just using it straight up without an interface, there's certain settings going on. There's not a sound card in this or anything, but it's a dynamic basic microphone, so it's set up to operate at a certain range. But this is just a test of the monochord. Next, I'm going to be going through my solo, my other one. I want to hear how it sounds through that. So we'll see you there. This has been a test, the E-89D, and I am not again using the included XLR to XLR 30,000 foot connector it gave me, so I'm just using the USB one that I came with, the newer, but I got it. So it's the 3.5mm to XLR. Alright, E-89D by Mackie. I don't know how bright or how low it is, we'll see. But this whole time I've been pretty much between eating it and 1 or 2 inches away, nothing more than that. So we're going to have a glimpse. Alright, we'll catch you in a bit.